Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So first, you want to open your Facebook account and make sure that you're logged into it and it is the right account, okay? And then you want to click these three little lines on the lower right side of your screen and then scroll down, then click on Settings and Privacy, and then click Settings, and then here you want to click Personal and Account Information, and then click Account Ownership and Control. Then just wait, and then here you want to click Deactivation and Deletion, and then here you can choose either of the two. You can deactivate your account or delete your account. So here I'm just gonna teach you how to deactivate your account. So you want to click that, choose Deactivate Account, and then click Continue to the Account Deactivation. And then here you need to choose in any of this what is your reason why you want to deactivate your account. So for example, I'm just gonna choose this is temporary, I'll be back. Then click Continue, and then here Facebook will ask you if you want to log out instead. If you want to take a break from Facebook but keep your profile visible, you can log out instead of deactivating. So here you can also choose how long you want to reactivate your account. So for example, don't reactivate automatically in 7 days, so you can choose in any of that. Then after that, just click Continue, and then here you just need to click Deactivate My Account, and then there you have it, your account is now deactivated. So if you want to reactivate your account, you just need to log in, go to your Facebook app, and then log in your account. So type your email address or mobile number, and then type your password, and then it will automatically reactivate your account. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.